Hey, it's Mike from Louisiana. Thanks for tuning in and watching another one of my videos. In this video, I wanted to take you along on a project that I'm currently working on with my business partner, and this is an office remodel. So we are taking an old lube shop that we used to own, and we are converting it into an office. So I wanted to just walk you around the project just for a little bit and show you some of the things we are doing, and hopefully you will follow and subscribe, and you will hit the little notification bell. So as we go along through this project for the next couple months, you can actually see the progress and see what transpires and how this building here takes shape and turns into a new office for our business. All right, stay tuned. Hey, I appreciate you following along. So like I said, in this video, this is going to be a remodel office project. And in fact, I have been making some reels on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, check me out. I'll put always the motorcycles. I'll put the link to the Instagram down below in the description. It's Mike from Louisiana. It's really simple. But I make some reels and show the progress. So if you're not into watching long videos on a progress of a building, then you can watch the reels, and it's 13 seconds on the progress of this place. So let me walk you around, kind of show you a little bit about what's going on here, what we're doing on the building. So let's get into it. This is a 2-bay lube shop. So we used to bring cars in here and do oil changes for years and years and years. This used to be the lobby, the office area, and the checkout, where people would pay. And then this was the little office area that we had. So part of the conversion that we did is we just ripped everything out 100%. We totally gutted this place and went back down to just a square, frame building and just cinder block building. And so this gray block that you see here is all the block that we're adding and filling in to the various spots. So as you see, the doors were a lot larger here. Now we're filling them in. And just to kind of give you an idea of what we're gonna do here, I don't know if you can see that church across the street. They got that glass that's kind of just in squares. So we're gonna go back with the design, square of a pattern to kind of keep it still looking like garage doors and like the lube shop feel, just as an homage to what it used to be, so people will pass by and they'll still see the, the kind of the garage door feel on it. So another thing that's kind of cool about this place is you can see these squares that are filled in with dirt. So this was the original pit. So in Louisiana, if you dig a hole, it's gonna fill with water pretty quick because of the water table. But we actually, we had a pit in here, and the pit had a sump pump, so it would, as water would come out from around the walls, it would go into this pit area, and then it would get pumped out into the sewer. It was just nice, crystal clear, pure water, but it just kept the pressure from building up on the outside of the wall. So this pit pretty much went from probably right here all the way over to probably about right here. And this was a pit that was probably, I would say, probably about 8 or 9 foot high from the floor to the bottom. It had a catwalk. And so when we tore everything out of here, and we also tore out, there was an old car wash back here, which I'll post some pictures of that. But the car wash, we tore that down as well and threw a lot of that in here and filled it up, and then filled it with dirt and capped it off. So what the plan is to put another 3.5 inches of concrete on top of this and make a subfloor or make a new floor in this building. So as you can see, before we're doing that, we're putting in all new plumbing. And so on the plans, we'll have a bathroom, and then a kitchen right here. And so all our plumbing is now in place. Our plumbers finished that, and I think they just got their inspection yesterday, or they're getting that sometime here soon. So once that's complete, then we can come in here and start pouring our 3.5 inches on top of this current slab. Now, the way this is gonna work is we're gonna come out the back door, and then you'll have this new storage area that we're gonna build. So this will be a big storage building with a garage door on it. So we're getting ready to, this is a separate building, but it's gonna have an awning that comes off the side of the building for parking. So that's those big holes you see right there. Those are foundations for those poles that are gonna hold that roof up, and is gonna provide some shade for about 4 vehicles. So this has been an interesting project, to say the least. Getting the permits and everything pulled took a while because the city is, not that they're hard to work with, but they're very stringent on a lot of their stuff. And so, of course, we have a set of plans. It's stamped by the fire marshal, and everything is going to be following those plans as closely as possible. As far as the design and exterior of the building, we're gonna kind of go ahead and hopefully do some type of metal finish on the outside that'll look pretty cool, and we're kind of designing that ourselves. And so this project hopefully, won't take that long, because once we come in on the inside and finish the inside, it's not that complex. It's just a couple of walls and our flooring and our kitchen and our bathrooms and stuff like that. So hopefully this will move quickly, and we'll have an office pretty soon. Well, that's it. I wanted to say thank you, and I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comments down below. Something you'd like to see on the next video, or any questions you have about this project. This has been something that we've been wanting to do for a long time, and we're pretty excited that it's finally happening. So this is Mike from Louisiana. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, like the video, click on the notification bell to get more videos on this, and we'll keep working on this project, and we'll keep you posted on the progress. Thanks. Have a great day.